I made a programming language. This is Dynamo. It's a basic language, or pain in the neck, created using Python. This simple language took way too much effort. It's based on another language called BASIC. It was an early language which was aimed at people who wanted to code in a simple, more readable way. If you want to find out more, I've left a link in the description to a video explaining what BASIC is. So how did I, an amateur programmer, create my own language? Simple. A tutorial. I'll have the series I followed linked down below the like button. Maybe hit it on your way. I ran into a couple of issues like mistaking slashes and backslashes for each other. However, most of the series is very understandable, and I think there might just be something wrong with my eyes and ears. So why did I create a programming language? I don't know. I knew a bit of Python and wanted to know some more because it's useful, but I wanted to try something different. So the only logical solution was a programming language. Lots of people have done it at this point, so I think I'm a bit late to the idea, but oh well. What can Dynamo do? Well, it's not much different to most other languages. It does everything you need it to. If you want a more in-depth video on what Dynamo can do, let's get to 10 likes on this video and I'll do a more in-depth look at Dynamo. I might even do a series where I create your suggestions in Dynamo. If you've watched this far, then you're obviously interested in Dynamo. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video on it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another video.